So hello dear. So this is we are going to start from here, and that is Pauline Einstein. You can see the photograph, and this Pauline Einstein mean who is this Pauline Einstein? Pauline Einstein is the mother of Albert Einstein. So you can see the photograph of him. She is Pauline Einstein, mean mother of Albert Einstein. So while Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unraveling. So when he was busy in solving the problem of physics, so his private life was not so good. So Albert had wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his study. So what was thinking of Albert Einstein? Albert Einstein wanted to marry Mileva Merrick after finishing his study, after finishing his problem, after finishing his physics problem. So what happened? But his mother was against it. So his mother, Pauline, was against it. So her mother did not want that. Her son will marry with Mileva. So why? She thought Mileva, who was 3 years older than her son, and was too old for him because Mileva Merrick was 3 years older than Albert Einstein. So that's why Pauline, his mother did not want that his son her son will get married with a girl who is older than him. तो उसकी मम्मा नहीं चाहती है कि उसका बेटा एक ऐसी लड़की से शादी करे जो लड़की उससे 3 साल उम्र में बड़ी हो. So she was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. And Pauline जो है एल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन की मदर, वो उसकी इंटेलिजेंस से, मिलेवा मैरी की इंटेलिजेंस से भी परेशान थी. शी इज ए बुक लाइक यू, हिज मदर सेड. सो उसकी मम्मा ने कहा कि बेटा वो जो लड़की है मिलेवा मैरिक जो है वो लड़की आपके लिए बुक की तरह है. आइंस्टीन पुट द वेडिंग ऑफ. सो ये सभी बातें सुन करके उसने शादी के लिए मना कर दिया, शादी को पोस्टपोन कर दिया. और आगे फिर वो क्या करता है. सो बेटा इन दिस लेसन व्हाट वी रेड अबाउट एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन मदर. हमने एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन की मम्मा के बारे में पढ़ा. तो एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन मदर डिड नॉट वांट दैट हर सन will get marry with a girl who is older than him. उसकी मम्मा नहीं चाहती है कि उसका बेटा एक ऐसी लड़की से शादी करे जो लड़की उसे 3 साल उम्र में बड़ी हो. So who is that girl? What is the name of that girl to whom Albert Einstein wanted to get married? Yes, you. What is the name of the girl? Hurry up, speak. Yes, you boys, girls. Okay. The pair finally married in January 1903 and had 2 sons. So, but pair who are in the pair Albert Einstein and Mileva Merrick, they both get married. They both got married, and they both got married in January 1903, and they had 2 sons. But a few years later, the marriage faltered. So, but what happened after some years of the marriage? Their foundation, their relationship was not so good. Their marriage faltered. उनकी जो शादी थी वो fail होने लगी. Mileva, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambitions and becoming an unhappy housewife. So Mileva was an intelligent girl, but what happened then? So Mileva was an intelligent girl, but she had to live at home. So that's why she was not she was not getting her intellectual ambitions. So she was losing her intellectual ambitions. That's why she wanted to do something. Yes, she wanted to go out from the house, and she did not want to become an unhappy housewife. So, on the other hand, Mileva Merrick was not happy to stay at home. तो वो कुछ करना चाहती थी, इसलिए वो अपने हस्बैंड के साथ एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन के साथ में झगड़े होते रहते थे कि मुझे घर में रोक दिया गया है, मुझे भी कुछ करना है. ओके, उनकी जो इंटेलेक्चुअल थी मिलेवा मैरिक जो कि इतनी इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल थी, तो वो मिलेवा मैरिक की अपनी इंटेलेक्चुअल को, अपनी बुद्धि को, अपने इंटेलिजेंस को घर पे बैठे बैठे कम कर रही थी, खो रही थी. So after a year of constant fighting, so they both were fighting to each other. Mileva Merrick and Albert Einstein. So they both were husband and wife. So they both were husband and wife. There was a quarrel between them. So now after what happened after a year of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. So they got divorced in 1919 after 16 years of their marriage. 16 सालों के बाद, 16 years के बाद 1903 में they got married, and in 1919 they got divorced, they got separated. So Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year, and in 1990 Albert Einstein got married again with Elsa. And who was that Elsa? Elsa was her, sorry, his cousin sister. So उसने अपनी बहन एल्सा से शादी कर ली उसी साल. Yeah, Einstein's new personal Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame. So Albert Einstein, yes, was getting fame in the world. He was becoming a famous person in the world. And in 1950, he had published his General Theory of Relativity. So he published his General Theory of Relativity. Yes, you mean to say that is a gravitational relativity, which provided a new interpretations of gravity. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance what the extent to which the light from fixed star would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. So he got the exact time. So what from the sun, every star, what is the time by what time is taken by the light to get of a particular. So just like a particular planet, just like a particular star, just like if you are talking about Earth, so Earth getting light from sun in 8 minutes. जो सन की जो लाइट है हमारी धरती पे जो पहुंचती है इट इज टेकिंग 8 मिनट्स, 8 मिनट. तो ये किसने बताया हमें? ये बताया एल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन ने. ओके, तो उसी तरह से उसने बताया कि भाई जो सनलाइट है किसी भी ग्रह पे किसी भी स्टार पे पहुंचती है तो वो कितना टाइम लगाती है. तो The newspaper proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution, और न्यूज़पेपर्स ने उनके वर्क को साइंटिफिक रिवॉल्यूशन के नाम से लिखा. So in the picture you can see what in the picture you can see there, yes, you Albert Einstein is getting something, and on the other hand there is a Nobel Prize. There is a Nobel Prize. Yes, you. So this is a Nobel Prize. So when did he get Nobel Prize? It is also written here. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for physics in 1921. So in 1921 he received Nobel Prize for physics. So there are how many prizes? There are five prizes. Five prizes, no, five Nobel Prizes. One is in literature, one is in physics, one is in chemistry, one is in medical, and one is in economics. So there are five Nobel Prize. Each year these are given, and these are given to the people. These are given to the person. Those people, yeah, those which person is doing, yes, is doing for the betterment of the human being. जो उनको ये अवार्ड दिया जाता है, हर साल दिया जाता है, मेडिकल के फील्ड में, केमिस्ट्री के फील्ड में, फिजिक्स के फील्ड में, और यस यू लिटरेचर के फील्ड में. और वो किसको? जो भी मानवता की भलाई के लिए काम करता है या मानवता के लिए कुछ करता है तो उसको ये नोबेल प्राइज मिलता है. So when the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein immigrated to the United States. So when the Nazis, so it was also this lesson. This lesson, what happened in this lesson? So when 1933, there was the Nazi were in the power. The Nazis were in the power in Germany, and Hitler was the leader of them. So what happened when he saw, mean Albert Einstein saw the Nazis are in the power here, so he migrated, he immigrated to United States. He went to America. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fusion. So 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fusion in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. So Berlin, so nuclear fusion was discovered in Berlin, and when it happened in 1938. So American physicists in an uproar. So many of them had fled from fascism, had just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid of the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. So atomic bomb or nuclear fusion was discovered in Berlin. And where was this Berlin? Berlin was in Germany. So what happened there? American physicist in when the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein immigrated to the United States. So they when Nazi were in power in Germany, because Albert Einstein was belongs to German. So, but when he saw that Nazis are in power, so that's why he has to leave German and he has to go to United States. So he settled there. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. So there was a problem with the American physicists. What happened? Because Berlin has discovered nuclear fission. तो बर्लिन में एटम बम बनाने का जो फॉर्मूला था वो खोज लिया गया था और इस वजह से अमेरिका के जो फिजिस्ट थे, अमेरिका के जो मतलब साइंटिस्ट थे वो थोड़े से अपसेट हुए. Many of them had fled from fascism, just as an just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. तो वो जो अमेरिकन फिजिस्ट थे वो फासिज्म की वजह से वहां से छोड़ के भाग गए. मीन उन्होंने बर्लिन यानी कि जर्मन को छोड़ दिया, जैसे एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन छोड़ के अमेरिका चले गए थे तो वो भी जा करके अमेरिका में बस गए, क्योंकि उनको भी ये लग रहा था कि नाजी अब एटम बम बना सकते हैं और उसका यूज कर सकते हैं. सो एट द अर्जिंग ऑफ ए कलीग, Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on August 2nd, 1939, in which he wanted a single bomb of this type exploded in a part might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. So, on August 2nd, 1939, Albert Einstein wrote a letter to uh, to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt, and he made a request to Franklin D. Roosevelt. What was the request? Request yes was, if we will, yeah, a single bomb, a single atomic bomb can destroy the a big part, big part of a land. So it is not good. So that's why we should stop it. We should not make an atomic bomb. So his word did not fail to have an effect. So there was no effect on Albert Einstein, sorry, Franklin D. Roosevelt. So what happened there? So the Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own. So America made their own atom bomb, and they were making it in a yes, you secretly, yes, secretly. So and they dropped that bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. So next one is that Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction और आइंस्टाइन को बहुत धक्का लगा. This time he wrote a public missive और उसने एक पब्लिक की तरफ से एक लेटर लिखा यूनाइटेड नेशंस को, एंड ही प्रपोज्ड और उसने एक सिफारिश की, उसने प्रपोज किया, उसने सुझाव दिया कि पूरी दुनिया की गवर्नमेंट बननी चाहिए. Unlike the letter to Roosevelt, this one made no impact. इस तरह से फ्रैंकलिन डी रूजवेल्ट को लेटर फ्रैंकलिन डी रूजवेल्ट को लेटर लिखा गया था, उसका कोई असर नहीं हुआ. तो वो लेटर लिखा गया कि भाई वर्ल्ड गवर्नमेंट फॉर्मेट होनी चाहिए, तो उसका भी कोई इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ. बट ओवर द नेक्स्ट डेकेड आइंस्टाइन गॉट ओवर मोर इन्वॉल्व इन पॉलिटिक्स. तो आने वाले टाइम में एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन जो है वो पॉलिटिक्स में और इन्वॉल्व हुआ और उन्होंने आर्म्स मीन जहाँ पे हथियार बनाए जा रहे थे, हथियार बनाने के खिलाफ वो चला, उन्होंने उनको बिल्डअप करने के लिए मना किया गया और उसने सिफारिश की कि भाई पीस और डेमोक्रेसी के उसने कैंपेन किए, घूम घूम करके लोगों को पीस और डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में समझाया. When Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76, he was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. So when Albert Einstein died at the age of 76 and he died in 1955, so he was celebrated. Yeah, he was given the name visionary. He was given world citizen. Yes, you world citizen was called, and he was called scientific genius. So this was our lesson fourth, a truly beautiful mind. And through this lesson, we come to know he was really a he was truly a beautiful mind because he was thinking about the humanitarian. He was thinking about the human being. Thank you. Have a nice day.